Introducing the Expression ET2650 EcoTank Wireless Color All-in-One Supertank Printer from Epson. This revolutionary cartridge-free printer, ideal for busy households, has easy-to-fill, redesigned supersized ink tanks. It comes with up to 2 years of ink in the box, enough to print thousands of pages without ever replacing the ink, equivalent to about 20 ink cartridge sets. Now that's cartridge-free printing. It's fast and user-friendly, with easy setup and navigation thanks to its 1.44-inch color LCD screen. Print wirelessly from your iPad, iPhone, Android tablet, or smartphone. And with Wi-Fi Direct, you get network-free printing. You'll save up to 80% on ink with low-cost replacement bottles and load paper less often with its 100-sheet paper capacity. Its small size lets you save space thanks to its compact design. The Epson EcoTank ET2650 delivers convenience and value. Scan, copy, and print with this revolutionary Supertank printer. The new Expression ET2650 EcoTank Wireless All-in-One Cartridge-free printer, only from Epson. Epson, exceed your vision.